Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to do your first end-to-end tasks in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in this video I will show you how to create your first end-to-end task in Claude Cowork. I recorded I think 2 videos about Claude Cowork, and now we will combine these 2 videos in order to make something useful. So of course we have to switch into the Cowork tab right here. And first of all, I recorded a video about how to connect a folder to a Cowork. So first of all, we have to connect the folder because we want to create something that will be saved in that folder. So I will click on working in a project. I will choose a folder. I will go into documents and I will go into this demo because this is the folder that I created for this video. And I will press on select folder right here. Now, we have to of course allow Claude to change files in this folder, because basically this is why we are doing this. This includes all files and subfolders. Claude will be able to read, edit and permanently delete and may share the file contents with third-party tools it's connected to. Be careful about exposing sensitive information, so you have to press on allow in order to do it. And now we can write something. So let's say that we want to create a docx file. So we will start something like this. Write a 1-page brief about the benefits of using Claude Cowork, like this. And maybe we'll ask him to save it in this docx format. So, and save it as, for example, answer.docx in the connected folder. So, this is the prompt that I will use. So, first of all, we will ask him to create a 1-page brief, but I made a spelling mistake. It doesn't really matter in that case, but let's make it correct. So write 1-page brief about the benefits of using Claude Cowork and save it as answer.docx in the connected folder. So as you can see, I will show you that my folder for now is empty, so I will go into this demo folder. It is empty. And now I will press on this button. You can press enter, it doesn't really matter. So, as you can see, you have the progress bar, we have working, thinking, it is running the skill, which is the result. Here we have the context, which is docx. Here we have this demo folder and the instruction that I passed into it. So we are running some scripts, and in a second our docx file should be created. So as you can see, we are waiting. So good, docx file is available. Now let me write it. Now let me write the document. So it created a docx file. Now it is creating me a 1-page brief. Here you have the character that it is using for now. As you can see, it is writing a file, working on it. Now it is showing me the path to my folder, and now my brief is ready. We have the answer.docx. We can either open it from there. This document covers 5 key benefit areas: document automation, on-demand, research, plugin skills, schedule tasks, and built-in safety. So formatted as clean 1-page brief with title block, sections, heading, and bullet points. So if I will go into this folder right now, as you can see, we have it right here. I can try to open it with Notepad, for example, I think, because I don't have, now it will not work. So it is not working in Notepad, but I have an extension in Visual Studio Code that allows me to open docx files. So I will open it in Visual Studio Code right now, and we will wait a bit. for it. So and here I have it. As you can see, here I have my demo folder, and here is my answer.docx file. And as you can see, we have here exactly one page brief about Claude Cowork and why it is useful. You have the May 2026 research review, and you have overview, you have benefits, in points with the bulk points that Claude taught us here. As you can see, we have the document automation on demand research plugin formatted as one page brief, so everything works fine with a title block, which is here, with section headings and bullet points. So you have section headings, you have bullet points, and this is basically how you can do it. So you can ask AI exactly what you need, and it will create it for you. So I created a docx file. You can create, for example, PDF. You can create a presentation with PPTX, I think. You can do a lot of things, and this is why it is so useful. So if you found the video helpful and you know how to create a docx file with Claude Cowork, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.